Download Windows 11 ISO file. Select Windows 11. Select language. Then confirm. Click on 64-bit download. After download, select ISO file. Right-click and mount ISO file. Run setup. Next, unsupported PC. Let's fix. Type regedit. HKEY local machine. System. Setup. Mo setup. If Mo setup is not present, create as new one. Click on Mo setup. Right-click and create new DWORD32 value. Give a name as allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. Modify and input value 1. Click OK. Mount Windows 11 ISO and run setup again. Follow all steps. Change setup. Read and accept. Don't worry, just accept an OK installation. After successfully upgrades, you are able to updates regularly from Windows Settings Update feature. Click on Install. Wait for finish.